In this video, we'll be discussing an amazing feature in Windows 11. Let's say you have something that you have copied, then you have another thing that you have copied, and another thing that you have copied, and so on. Normally, when you copy something, it only stays in the clipboard, countering the last one that you copied. So there's no real history of everything you had copied. So I'll be introducing you to Windows 11 Clipboard History. So let's go to the settings. Go to the Start button, right-click on it, and choose Settings. When it opens, search for Clipboard Settings. So I'm going to type in Clipboard. Now, while you're busy typing it, it gives you a list. So I'm going to choose Clipboard Settings. So this is it. It says Save multiple items to your clipboard. Press the Windows logo key plus V to view your clipboard history. Now that is the shortcut if you want to do that. Now by default, you will see that the clipboard history is turned off. Now turn it on. Now let's close this and see the magic of clipboard history. So let's go to our Microsoft Word document and copy some items. Now here I am in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to copy this first paragraph. Select that, go to Home tab and click the copy button. Now I also want to copy this second paragraph, which is formatted differently. So I'm going to select it, right click on it and choose copy. So let's go to Excel. So here is my Excel. I want to copy a different formatting. So I'll select up to that point, right? Go to Home tab and click the copy. Now minimize that, minimize it. So let's go to our browser and copy a different type of formatting. So I'm going to come here and copy all of that. Right click and choose copy. Now it's time to paste everything that we have copied. Now back to Microsoft Word document. I need a blank document. I'll go up here, click the blank document, and here it is, my blank document. Now let's do what the instruction says. I'm going to press Windows key logo plus V to get my clipboard history. So I'll press that Windows V, and that is it, my clipboard history. This is everything that we have copied. So I'm going to start from the first one. So I'll click on that. Now this is the first thing we copied. Now I'll go again, press my Windows V, and I'll choose the second one. This is what we copied. So I'll press Windows V, select this. This was the Excel that we copied. And this is amazing. It brought in the same formatting style from the Excel. Isn't this amazing? Now let's go again, Control V, and click on that. Now this was what we copied from the website, the same formatting style. This is amazing, isn't it? So let's go back to the clipboard history. So I'll press my Control V. Now over here, there are a few things I like to show you. Now let's say I'm done pasting all of this. I can just come over here and click that clear all. Then everything goes off. Now, if we come to this side, you'll see the three dots. If I click on that, you will see I have two options there. Now the first option is paste as a test. Right, means it's going to paste without any formatting. Now the other one is to delete. Let's say I'm done working on that. I can delete individual items. So I can click on that to delete that. Now another thing I like to show you is with this button here, I can pin an item. All right. Let's say there is a particular item I copied and I always use that. I can pin it in. Let's say I want to pin this. So I can click on that. It means that this item is always there. All right, so let's go and copy more things and see if the item we pinned down will still be there. So I'll go back to my browser and copy something else. All right, click on that and copy. Okay. All right, so I might just scroll further down and see if I can copy something else. So I'll just click on that, right click and copy that. Right. So if I go further down, I can just select different things, right click and copy. Right. I could also go back to my Word document and copy something else. Select that and right click and then copy. Okay, now let's go back to our document. I'm going to now press the Windows key and V. Then we have our clipboard history. Now, if I scroll further down, you see that the item that I pinned down is always there. It can be pushed down. Remember when I pinned it, it was at the top. It can be pushed down, but it would always remain there. So that is it when it comes to clipboard history. And that's it for this video. If you want to see more tech tips like this, click on the playlist that appears next.